Hey, what up everybody? Source Mac here, what it do? So right now we are actually in the process of removing the front bumper for the 986. The reason why we want to do that is because of the AC compressors and radiators. We want it to be super clean, and unfortunately your 986 could be also clogged up down there too. So another key point too is this part right here. As I was watching a tutorial video, you actually want to be very careful with this piece. It goes on right there like that. Okay, so the reason why is because it's very brittle. As you can see, it's already starting to crumple, so just be very careful with that. How do you take it off? Well, 1 2 3 4, only 4 screws, those 4 things. Okay, and then you're gonna have 2 screws, regular screws. And how do you take this off? You use a flathead. Use a flathead to take it off. And then basically, so this is how it's on originally, like that. You can see it's on like that originally, like this. And then you get your flathead and just twist it that way, and then you just pop it off. Boom, pry it off. There you go. I did take off my weather stripping. Now I know, so when you actually first take it off, it'll seem like it's glued in. It's not. At first that's what I thought too, but no, you just you have to rip it out basically, but it's fine. It's meant to go in there like that. So yeah, so now that we have the two screws removed, that's not even the first thing you actually do. What I did was I jacked up the car first, both sides, left and right. This is optional. I removed the wheel. The reason why I removed the wheel is so I can get easier access onto this right there, and then this right there, both sides. So this is the driver's side, 1 and 2. And how do you remove those? With this tool right here. Right, you get your pry tools like that. There you go. Got that set on Amazon. Alright guys, so I failed to mention that there is actually a total of 2, 4, 6, 8 bolts under the bumper. And so this is what it looks like. Grab the flashlight here. This is what the front of a 986 looks like without the bumper, and this is going to be my first time seeing this, so here's my reaction. I mean, it's not too bad, at least on this side, you know. That's a lot of rocks though. Damn, there's a lot of rocks in there. I wonder where the previous owners lived. Oh, so I got the shop vac ready too. Is that a paintbrush in there? No way, is that a paintbrush? No, that can't be. I know this is the thermometer. This is how the outside, gets their temp. So the way to remove this is we get the T25 or T20s right there. Look at that, that looks like it's a bit stripped. And so this is probably why your 986 is overheating, or at least not getting the best airflow because of that. So we haven't done that side yet, so we still need to do that side. But right here we have 2 brushes, final part. The driver's side is finished. The passenger side is finished. You can actually remove the temperature sensor, put it back on, and there you go.